Sound stock is approaching 793, a key level that could trigger the next move. Recently, price has been consolidating in a range between 730 and 793 after a pullback from higher levels. We are seeing repeated rejections near 793, while buyers are stepping in around 730, showing a clear range structure. The key resistance is 793, and above that, 853 becomes the next major level. Support sits at 730 with a deeper level near 678. If SOUN breaks above 793 and holds with a daily close above this level, we could see a move towards 853. If you want my structured daily execution plan before market open, it is available inside Patreon, link in the description.